Hi teachers! For many years, IH Porto has been committed to sharing new ideas and giving support to teachers in our area. We have a tradition of teacher trainers who work hard to innovate and bring the best there is in English language teaching to our community. That's why, on top of our extensive teacher training program, Coffee at IH, You at IH, and IT at IH, we are proud to introduce Shawn's Corner. In Shawn's Corner, we will share tips, ideas, projects, and food for thought, as well as have mini tutorials and provide links to good materials. In just a couple of minutes, teachers can take away some new, motivating ideas. We'll be in touch with you on a weekly basis on Tuesdays. Oh, hello Shawn. Can you come here, please?
Hi, Laura.
Hello.
Hi, everybody. I'm Shawn, teacher trainer at IH Porto. We hope to see you at our Wednesday sessions, and also, of course, we hope you come to Shawn's Corner. Please check out our website for more information and also to sign up to attend our sessions. Looking forward to seeing you in the teacher's room.
Me too.
Bye.
Bye-bye.